What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about buying more stocks when the stock market is down. So in the last month, my portfolio has taken a dive. It's actually down about $26,000. And of course, that does something to my emotions. However, I sometimes try to make sure that I'm saving money so that when there's an opportunity to grab some more stocks, that I'm able to do so. So this video, I'm going to be showing you guys that I'm going to transfer probably $10,000 to $12,000 from my bank into my Robinhood account, and then I eventually will make more videos showing you what I've done with that money. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, because on this channel I talk about how to invest in the stock market, and I also talk about my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing in the stock market, I've had my ups and downs, and I guess the first thing that I want to do right now is just go ahead and transfer that money from my checking account into my Robinhood account. So I have a screen recording going on right now, and I'm going to touch on Robinhood. And so we're here in my portfolio right now, as you guys can see. And I should have done this video a little earlier today, but of course, you know, such is life. I was at the gym. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and at the bottom of the screen touch on the little person icon, the bottom right of the screen, and then I'm going to touch the three lines at the top of the screen, the top right, and then I'm going to touch on transfers. And then I'm going to transfer to Robinhood from my bank account. So I'm going to transfer, I'll do 12,000. Okay, so I'll do $12,000 here. And because I have Robinhood Gold and I also have more than $20,000 in my account, Robinhood is going to automatically spot me this $12,000 until the transfer is actually completed. So I'll hit review, and then I'm going to hit submit. Okay. Of course, it'll show that I will have it's telling me here that it's initiated on January the 25th and the deposit will be completed on the 31st. However, I will have access to this $12,000 right now. So because I have Robinhood Gold and I have instant deposits available, the money is basically going to be in my account right now. Let's go back to my portfolio, and you can see there my buying power is now $2.39. The $2.39 was in my account before. And so, like I said, I now have access to $12,000 more dollars, and I'm going to try to be strategic and make sure that I'm purchasing some good positions. There's a couple of ETFs that I'm invested in, and the price for those ETFs are now lower than where it was when I got it initially. But I did want to take the time to show you guys that I've transferred this money into my account. Now, once again, because I have Robinhood Gold and because I have more than $20,000 in my portfolio, or actually because I have more than $50,000, I think I can get an instant deposit up to $50,000. Now, of course, this is not going to be smart for you to do if you don't actually have the money in your bank account. So make sure the money's there. Okay, so I'm going to end the video recording here, the screen recording here, because that portion of the video is done. I do want to show you guys on the screen right now. It says I'm investing, my current portfolio is at $274,000, but just a while ago it was like at 260 something. Okay, so if you subtract $12,000, okay, that's where my portfolio was. Overall, I'll show you guys now how much money I've invested or I've deposited into my Robinhood account. Since May of 2020, I have deposited $253,835.30 in my account. Now, at one point, this was $241,835.30. Okay, so that's currently what I'm looking at. But let me show you guys the last month. Okay, so the last month, the last 3 months actually, let's look at that. Wow, these numbers have changed, and I'm not sure exactly why they've changed. Maybe because I just deposited some more money in the account. But it's been definitely rough. You know, the last week here, my portfolio is currently down $18,000 in the last week. Because I deposited more money, this obviously affects the overall numbers. Like, for example, if I show you guys basically a month ago, I was up. My portfolio was up quite a bit right here. As you guys can see, January 4th, I was up to $303,000. And right now I'm at 275 I'm really not at 275, but for easy math, that's about $28,000 or $27,000 difference, as you guys can see, which is a lot in the last month. But I definitely wanted to take the time to show you guys that, number one, I'm going to take this opportunity to average my cost down on a couple of positions that I already have. So, of course, I have a lot invested with Apple and Tesla, which is the biggest portion of my portfolio here. Apple is about 35% of my portfolio, and Tesla is about 25%. I'll just show you guys real quick. I'll open a separate tab just to kind of show you guys that real quickly. So another thing that I'm thinking about doing with that $12,000 is diversifying my portfolio even a little bit more, okay? Because Apple and Tesla is such a huge part of my portfolio. So you look at the screen here, you can see that Apple right now, according to my portfolio, it's 38% of my portfolio, okay? You guys can see that here on the screen. And Tesla is, it's going to be a little bit more than 25. Oh, a little less. Tesla is 24.64% of my portfolio. So I'm looking to diversify a little bit more. So what I will end up doing more than likely is grabbing some more shares of some ETFs that I've had my eye on for quite some time. And the price is a little lower than it's been in a while. So I want to go ahead and try to average the cost down. The stock market can be kind of tricky. And in times like this, when the market is going down, I mean, it's gone down in the last week. I'll show you guys in the last week, my portfolio was down here, $266,000 here, as you guys can see, which is the lowest it's been in quite some time. So, you know, I want to make sure that I show you guys that this is good practice to be able to average your costs down on certain things that you know are solid companies. For example, Apple's a solid company. Like if my average cost per share for Apple was, you know, $170, and now today Apple's trading for $160, that would be a great opportunity to buy some more shares of Apple, just because I think Apple's a solid company and I don't think they're gonna file bankruptcy or anything like that in my lifetime. I'm 43 years old. I don't think Apple's gonna go bankrupt in my lifetime. But of course, you know, I'm not a fortune teller. Anything, I guess, is possible. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys, once again, I'm putting money into my account and I'm going to grab some more shares of different ETFs that I'm already invested in to average the cost of that ETF down. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.